Experiencing a powering up message that won't disappear on your T-Mobile internet box? This indicates a stuck boot process where the device fails to initialize properly. This often stems from corrupted firmware, power supply issues, or hardware faults. While waiting 5 to 10 minutes is a good first step as it can resolve itself, if the screen persists, it's time to troubleshoot. Newer firmware includes error recovery mechanisms, but older devices are more prone to this issue, especially after power outages or failed updates. We'll guide you through the most effective solutions to get your internet back up and running quickly. First, try a soft reset. Unplug the device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This restarts the system without erasing your settings. If that doesn't work, attempt a hard reset. Hold the power button for 30 seconds until the device powers off, then restarts. Note this will erase custom settings. If issues persist, use the T-Mobile app version 10.0 Plus to access the built-in diagnostic mode. Check your signal strength and follow any recommendations, such as relocating the box. If these steps fail, contact T-Mobile support for a firmware rollback or device replacement, especially if your device is under warranty.